Not far from the United States Capitol building, the historic Congressional Cemetery sprawls across 35 acres along the Potomac River. It was founded in 1807 and is the final resting place for thousands of Americans, including members of Congress, their families, and other U.S. dignitaries. Some of the headstones here belong to Cherokee citizens, too, each one with a unique story that offers a glimpse into our nation's history. One of those is William Shorey Coodey, born in 1806 in Tennessee and the nephew of celebrated Cherokee chief John Ross. Throughout his lifetime, William traveled back and forth between Indian Territory and Washington, D.C. as a Cherokee delegate. For years, he negotiated for the nation's sovereignty, and for a time, he was president of the Cherokee Senate. Coodey authored two very important documents, the Act of Union between the Eastern and Western Cherokee and the 1839 Cherokee Constitution, which formally joined the previously splintered Cherokee factions and framed the Cherokee government for decades to come. In 1849, William S. Coodey became ill while in Washington and died on April 16th. He's buried alongside his 17-year-old daughter, Henrietta, who died while visiting him there just a month earlier.